thank you for taking this moment just for yourself. No matter how your day has been, you are safe here. Allow yourself to take one slow, deep breath. Relax your shoulders and simply receive these words. May every affirmation remind you of the love that has always been within you. I am learning to love myself more deeply with every new day, and I give myself permission to become the person I have always been meant to be without rushing my journey or questioning my worth. I choose to see myself through eyes of kindness instead of criticism, and I gently release every harsh thought that has kept me from recognizing the beautiful person I truly am. I deserve the same compassion, patience, understanding, and unconditional love that I so freely give to others. And today I finally choose to offer that love to myself. Every part of me has a purpose. Every chapter of my life has taught me something valuable, and I honor the person I am becoming with gratitude and acceptance. I no longer measure my value by my mistakes, my past, or anyone else's opinion, because my worth has always existed within me, and nothing can take it away. I welcome peace into my heart, calm into my mind, and love into every part of my being, knowing that I am creating a life built on respect for myself. I forgive myself for the times I doubted who I was, for the moments I believed I was not enough. And I now replace every painful memory with compassion and understanding. I celebrate my uniqueness because there has never been another person exactly like me, and the qualities that make me different are the same qualities that make me extraordinary. I trust myself to make wise decisions, to learn from every experience, and to continue growing into a stronger, kinder, and more confident version of myself. I deserve healthy relationships where I feel respected, appreciated, understood, and loved without needing to prove that I am worthy of receiving genuine care. I choose to release the habit of comparing myself to others because my journey is unfolding exactly as it needs to, and my path is beautifully my own. I allow myself to rest without guilt because my value is never determined by how busy I am, and caring for myself is a meaningful act of self-love. I speak to myself with gentle words that encourage healing, inspire confidence, and remind me every single day that I am enough exactly as I am. I am proud of how far I have come, even if my progress has been slow, because every small step has helped shape the resilient person I am today. I choose to believe in myself even when the path ahead feels uncertain, because my inner strength has carried through difficult moments before and will continue to guide me I let go of the need to be perfect, knowing that growth comes from embracing my humanity, learning from my experiences, and allowing myself the freedom to evolve. I deserve happiness that feels peaceful, authentic, and lasting. And I open my heart to receive joyful experiences without fear or hesitation. I respect my own boundaries because protecting my peace is an expression of self-respect. And I no longer feel guilty for choosing what is healthy for me. I release every limiting belief that tells me I cannot succeed, because I know I have everything within me to create a meaningful and fulfilling life. I embrace every new day as an opportunity to grow, heal, and love myself more deeply than I did yesterday. Knowing that transformation happens one gentle step at a time, I choose to let my heart remain open, even after disappointment, because I refuse to let pain define my ability to experience love and connection. I trust the timing of my life because I know that every delay, every lesson, and every blessing is helping me become exactly who I need to be. I nourish my mind with thoughts that empower me, encourage me, and remind me daily that I am capable of creating a joyful and meaningful future. I choose to see every challenge as an opportunity to discover strengths I never knew I possessed. And I trust my ability to overcome whatever comes my way. I am grateful for my resilience because every obstacle I have faced has revealed a deeper level of courage, wisdom, and inner peace within me. I deserve to experience love that feels safe, honest, supportive, and uplifting. And I never have to earn what should already be given freely. I appreciate the person I see in the mirror because I know that true beauty begins with self-acceptance, kindness, and the love I choose to cultivate within myself. I release the pressure to meet unrealistic expectations and instead celebrate the simple truth that being authentically myself is more than enough. I trust my intuition because it is gently guiding me toward choices that honor my well-being, protect my peace, and support my highest good. I allow myself to receive compliments with gratitude because I no longer minimize my light or question the goodness others genuinely see within me. I wake each morning with a renewed commitment to love myself through every emotion, every challenge, every victory, and every stage of my journey. I honor my emotions without judging them, because every feeling deserves acknowledgement, and every emotion carries wisdom that helps me grow with greater self-awareness. I believe in my dreams because they were placed in my heart for a reason, and I trust that I have everything I need to move toward them with confidence and faith. I choose forgiveness over resentment, peace over worry, and love over fear, because these choices allow my heart to remain free, open, and deeply connected to my true self. I welcome abundance in the form of love, meaningful relationships, joyful experiences, fulfilling opportunities, and inner peace, because I know I am worthy of receiving life's beautiful gifts. I end every day with gratitude for myself, knowing that I showed up, I continued growing, I kept believing, and I loved myself a little more than I did before. As we come to the end of this time together, I just want to say thank you for being here. Out of all the moments in your day, you chose to spend these few minutes with yourself, and that truly matters. Maybe these words found you exactly when you needed them. If even one affirmation stayed with your heart, hold on to it and let it gently guide you through your day. Whenever you feel the need for a little peace, encouragement, or a reminder of your own worth, know that these affirmations will always be here waiting for you. And if you'd like, I'd love to hear how this made you feel today. Your words may be the encouragement someone else needs to read. Until we meet again, be gentle with yourself, keep choosing love, and remember, you are always worthy of the kindness you so freely give to others.